不吃内脏。He asked me, "Do you eat that or not?" I said no. It's chicken feet.
Chicken what?
Feet.
Yeah. Chicken feet. 不用了。
用的。
I'm going to Dali. I'm going to Dali. I've never even heard of Dali until now.
坐高铁最重要的事就是干饭。
第一次尝试小浣熊干脆面。
这啥呀？这是啊！这是为什么我要饭？画饼吧。
好吃，真好吃。
麦丽素。
Kind of like Maltesers.
皇上，您请颠覆皇上。
That it does.
唐僧肉。
Is that Wukong's master? We're going to see Wukong's place through Shanxi. Whoa. So this is what Wukong's master tastes like. Oh, good.
下车啦！
全城最贵的酒店了，你看他的脸。
Super fancy, baby. It looks amazing. Everything looks amazing. Wow. Unbelievable. This is the best hotel choice you've made so far. A little bit more, you get much better quality. Wow. And look at the mountain. On view. I'm impressed. Thank you very much.
It's the most fancy toilet I've been here.
Well, it's funny because when you go to pee in the men's pee thing,
Yeah.
they put ice in there.
Oh my god.
So when you pee on the ice, it melts the ice away. I've never even
Okay, stop.
I've never even heard of it.
哇塞，这钱花太值了。Oh my god.
Wow, it's even got gate.
迷你也是可以免费
Free
使用。
你就
对，免费。
Yeah.
洋人去吧，洋人。
I found a foreigner.
有点饿啦。
好吃哈。
好吃。
一些江米条，还有这个蛋糕。够了，谢谢。
江米条好吃，虎皮卷也好吃。
Gamba guy, Gamba food.
That's great. That's great.
93块9。
Olivia, how do you eat this? How do you get it out without going?
CH.
Yeah, hang on.
你就这样那样再这样喽。
Hey, no. That's not what happened. You didn't.
Hello?
You showed me the result, but not what you did.
Use your teeth, put in
Yeah.
the between of your up teeth and down teeth,
Huh?
and then use your tongue. Oh, good job. 哎，
Okay.
正
来吧
餐。时间到啦。
好吃。I really like Yunnan. Yunnan's got some really good food. Yeah, the green stuff with the rice is really nice.
真的爱上吃青菜了。
哎呀妈呀 That one's good.
好吃吗 tonight?
好吃吗？好吃。Mate, to you and Gambay, to everyone else. I think Chinese rice is better than Australian rice. It's just a lot fluffier, tastes better,
Yeah, I think so.
and it goes with good. It goes with your food. It's like really good.
Yeah.
I love food. Love it. But you know what? There's nothing better than Chinese food. Seriously. I mean, almost everything I've eaten from the 2 times we've visited China so far has been fantastic. The only thing I can't eat, and I know I can't eat, is durian. Who the hell eats durian?
Me.
Oh. Okay. Come back.
没吃饱又加了个薄荷排骨。
Yeah. Oh yeah. not spicy at all. Good. 好吃。
他说风雨中这点痛算什么？擦干泪，不要怕，至少我们还有梦。他说风雨中这点痛算什么？擦干泪，不要问为什么。
Yeah.
Huh?
Check this out. Yes, I'm playing with my food. This looks like a dragon head.
Wow.
It's a long.
Oh yo.
Look, it's long gone.